DevSecOps is a principle that embeds security as code by shifting left with continuous security testing throughout the deployment pipeline. The purpose and intent of DevSecOps is to build on the mindset that everyone is responsible for security, with the goal of safely distributing security decisions at a speed and scale to those who hold the highest level of context without sacrificing the safety required. DevSecOps breaks the security constraint by spreading the knowledge between humans and embedding it in systems, keeping in mind that security needs special attention. Otherwise, you risk seeing security as just one aspect of building and improving software and services. Security gets special treatment in terms of profile and attention, so it makes sense to incorporate it into the DevOps approach within an organization, especially one where security is critical. DevSecOps breaks the security constraint, embraces the shift-left testing strategy, introduces security as code, and leverages automation for resilience, testing, detection, and audit. For a while, another concept, rugged DevOps, was also used in the DevOps security space. But DevSecOps has now established itself as the term most popularly used to describe DevOps, with an emphasis on security-related outcomes. Nowadays, we refer to it as rugged software. Some people are not fans of the term DevSecOps as they believe it could create another silo or demand people learn another thing, and that it doesn't capture the spirit of what DevOps is really about. There are approximately 1 million cybersecurity positions unfilled around the world. Some ratios say that for every 100 developers, there are 10 IT operations people and 1 security person.